Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So this is actually, I don't want to say late, but in the world of Boxycharm, if you're like a day late, then you're late. I really wanted to film my unboxing like 2 days ago, but I was waiting for the mailman to bring the box and he didn't come till like right before I was about to start work. So I had to wait to film this, but hope you guys don't mind. I'm sure you may have seen some other people's boxes by now, but I still like to share mine no matter what so you guys can see what I got and my thoughts on everything and what my box variation is. And I've just really been enjoying filming Boxycharm unboxings ever since they started like sending them over to me. I actually saw that some of you guys have signed up for Boxycharm, which is so cool, and used my referral link, which I always will keep down below in my description box. So I just want to say thank you to you guys if you use my links. It means so much that you guys support me, so thank you. That is awesome. But I have the August box. I can't believe it's the August box, and August is the best month because it's my birthday month, August 24th, and I cannot wait to see what's inside. I haven't been looking at spoilers. If I see anything on Instagram, I kind of just scroll past it, or if it's like an Instagram story, I'll just skip through it really quick because I don't want to see. I want to be surprised every month. I think that's one of my favorite parts, just being surprised. So if you guys want to find out what is in my August Boxycharm, then please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. It's going to be the first link in my description box. And don't forget to hit the little bell so you guys don't miss out on future videos. And let's get on into what's inside. I'm so excited to see. Okay, so I'm going to do this the way I always do. I just kind of like reach my hand in and see what the first thing I take out. I don't look at the card or anything because I want to be surprised. Okay, so first thing. Ooh, we have Tarte mascara. This is the Tarte Big Ego mascara. This is exciting. I saw this on their Instagram page and I was super curious about this, and I always like trying new Tarte products. So this is really fun. Let's open this up. It's in just the black shade, which is great. And I like how bright and fluorescent the actual packaging is. I'll bring it a little closer so you guys can see. Look how fun that is. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it is a bright pink. I love it. I do not think I've ever seen a bright pink mascara like this. This is super fun. Let's see what the brush looks like. The packaging feels nice too. Like, it feels like it has a really nice weight to it. It feels high quality. Especially the cap, it feels nice. Oh, okay. Looks a lot like the Too Faced Better Than Sex wand. It looks a lot like the CoverGirl, forgetting that one, Exhibitionist wand. Kind of in that same vibe. I guess everyone wants to come out with something similar to that because it was super popular type of wand shape. It's a natural bristle wand, and I will for sure be trying this. I love testing out mascaras. Twisted double fibers, lash loving ingredients, confidence booster brush, and I'm excited to test this out. Next in the box, let's see, Ace Beauty. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, Ace Beauty. Oh my gosh, this looks like ColourPop. It's called a Glimmer Shadow, but it looks like they totally kind of ripped off ColourPop's packaging, but I mean, it is beautiful. It's called Iced Latte is the shade. I really like these kind of like bouncier texture shadows. Yeah, it looks exactly like ColourPop. I would say it's a copper shade, coppery gold kind of shade. I'm gonna do a swatch. Yep, feels just like ColourPop. It's literally the same formula. You guys will see it a little better because I have a natural tan. That's actually super, super beautiful. I feel like that will look nice just all over the lid. You can just wear this all over the lid and be done, honestly, or put some liner, call it a day. But it's a really pretty like summer, it's a really pretty like summer copper shade. Yeah, this is cool. I'm gonna have to see how much this is when I check the packaging, but literally it is a dupe for the ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadows. So that's another really good one. So far, I like everything that I've gotten. Let's see. What else we have? Oh, it's another one. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting that. Okay, it's another one, and this one is so pretty. It has like a dual chrome to it. This is called Cotton Candy. Same exact thing. Okay, so let's open this one up and swatch it. This one actually kind of looks like NARS Orgasm in an eyeshadow form. Like, it looks just like the blush. Actually, I'm wearing that blush today, which is kind of funny, but it looks just like that except in eyeshadow. So it has that gold kind of reflex to it. I'm excited about these. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so beautiful. You guys, look at that. Look at that right there. Oh, I love that. I don't think I have an eyeshadow like that. And they're so kind of like wet and glistening. Like, they are super pigmented. That's why I really like this formula. Those two would be really pretty together, but I can totally see myself wearing this one too all over the lid. Cotton Candy. So beautiful. Very excited about these. I'm all about a good dupe. I know ColourPop came out with them first, but everyone dupes stuff, right? Next, see what else we have. I think there are 3 more things. This is Steve Laurent, which is actually the same brand as the highlighter. We got a Steve Laurent highlighter, which was really pretty. This is the Chic. Is this a lip pencil? Does it say? Chic. That's really all it says. Doesn't say anything else. I'm assuming though it's a lip pencil because it's the color of a lip pencil. It's that like mauve nude shade. This is kind of the shade that I tend to go for. I'm wearing something very similar today. So have a little lip pencil, I think. Here. What is this? Wander Beauty. I'm excited to get to try more of their stuff. This is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Is this like a skincare product? I think so. It says, bring out skin's inner radiance with our illuminating oil. Delivers instant luminosity. Signature beauty oils improve skin over time. Black currant seed oil. Niacinamide. It's really cool. Okay, so definitely gonna test this out, even though I'm oily skin, so I don't know how an illuminating face oil will be, but I have used face oils in the past. I do have to be careful though, because some of them do break me out, so we will see how this goes. But I really like the pink, millennial pink packaging. Very cute. This is my last thing. Yeah, last thing. What is it? Oh my goodness. It's a Becca. I'm like shocked right now. Can you guys tell? Oh, wow. This is cool. It's the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. I know this came out I think a year ago, and it has that like cooling kind of sensation when you put it on your face, which is really kind of wild. It says it's an ultra translucent refreshing powder, dusts on like a mist and sets your makeup, has 50% water, makes skin look awakened. Okay, this must be like $40 or something. That's really crazy. So let's see what this looks like. I should have did like a little try on. That would have been fun. Wow. I think this is the first. Is it? No. Well, I was going to say it's like the first Becca skin product I've tried, but I have tried her highlighters. But I've never tried any like, well, no. Never mind. It's not the first Becca face product I've ever tried. But when you open it, because mine just kind of flew everywhere, but it has like really interesting packaging. There's like this little net on the inside. Let's see. Ooh, yeah. I feel it. When I did a swatch, you can feel like the cooling. Super interesting. I love this little like bouncy net thing that's in here. Yeah, it's very refreshing. I feel like this is nice for summer. I can even feel it like on my finger that I used to put it on. Very high tech kind of. I like that. Excited to try this out. Gonna like probably use it all over my face. Probably will be a nice little summer powder. We'll see how it works. So that is everything. Wow. So that is a really good box. Let's take out the little pamphlet and see like what my box was. Okay, so I got variation number 2, and it says Totally Boxycharm. So the powder is $39. Figured it was almost $40. The glow oil, you guys, this is $42. That's pretty wild. The Tarte mascara is $23, so that's pretty pricey. And oh my gosh, you guys, okay, this is a duo. The Ace Beauté Glimmer Shadows together is a duo, and they're $25. So I think that's more than ColourPop, but I mean, they are gorgeous. Like the swatches are beautiful, but again, basically the same as ColourPop, so it's a little more pricey. And then we have the Steve Laurent lip liner is $15. So let me do a little calculation. Okay, so Boxycharm is $21 a month, and the total retail value for everything in here, when you add it all up, if you bought these full price, it would be $144. So you are getting $123 savings basically for all this, which is really freaking cool. I mean, this month I think is so good. I love the Becca powder. The shadows are gorgeous. The oil, gonna have to see how this is, but definitely keep my fingers crossed for that one. The Tarte mascara, that was really cool too. And I'll see how the lip liner is. It kind of just looks like your standard lip liner. I don't know if there's gonna be anything amazing about it, but I thought this was a really great box. The value was awesome, even just to get the Becca powder and then the shadows. I am, again, very impressed. Boxycharm is like the best box, I think, in my opinion. So yeah, if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below. It is a referral link, so thank you guys so much if you do choose to use it. I appreciate that so much. And honestly, like, you guys saw everything I got, so you can see, like, it's definitely worth it. And I loved this box. So excited to test everything out. Let me know what box number you guys got. Did you get the same stuff that I did? I think my favorite thing might be these eyeshadows. I think they're so pretty. This cotton candy one specifically is super beautiful. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my August Boxycharm unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! So I'm gonna do like I always do.